Each of 5 friends A, B, C, D and E have a certain amount with them such that 25% of the amount with A, which is 1/4 of the amount with A, 37.5% of that with B, which is 3/8 of the amount with B, 50% of that with C, half of C, C by 2, 75% of that with D, that would be 3/4 of D, and 87.5% of that with E, 7/8 of the amount with E. All of this have to be equal. So what does it mean? 25%, 1/4 of A's amount, A by 4, is equal to 3/8 of B's amount, which is equal to half the amount with C, C by 2, which is equal to 3/4 of the amount with D, which is equal to 7/8 of the amount with E. Okay. So this is equal to this, equal to this, equal to this, equal to this, right? Now we are interested in the minimum possible amount provided A, B, C, D, E, each of them is a whole number. Let's multiply throughout by 8. We'll have here 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 4C is equal to 6D equal to 7E, right? These 5 values are equal. Let's say they are equal to some constant K. Now this K should be such that it should be 2 into something, 3 into something, 4 into something, 6 into something and 7 into something. K is a multiple of 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. So what is the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 6, 7? 2 is included in 4 anyway, 3 is included in 6 anyway. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. 12 and 7, LCM is 84. So the minimum value that K can take is 84. So if K can take a minimum value of 84, what is the value of A? 2A is 84, A is equal to 42. 3B is 84, B is equal to 28. 4C is 84, C is 21. 6D is 84, D is 14. 7E is 84, E is equal to 12. So these are the minimum values that A, B, C, D, E can take. Now, we're being asked for the minimum possible total amount with them. So let's add them. 42, 28, that's 70. 21, 14, that's 35. 105, 105, 12 is 117. So the minimum sum of all the values is 117.